Now, after embedding Google Doc, it's time to embed certain Google slides. I will be embedding the same slide which I'm working on. Now, on a computer, open a site in Google site. As you all are aware, we have already opened it over here. I'm just clicking on publish part so that it is published now. At the right click insert. So I'll be clicking on the insert after it is published. I will be clicking on the insert part. Now, select the Google site you want to embed. Go down over here, you will be able to see slides. Just give the name of the slides, or by embedding, we have to give the URL. So, what I'm doing over here, I'm just copying the URL from here, selecting it, Control C. Now, coming over here, Control V. Enter URL. You will be able to see embedding in Google site insert. As soon as I click on the insert, you will be able to see that it is inserted over here. Another way of inserting is with the help of this Google slides. Just scroll down. We require to click on the slides. I'm just waiting for the folder to get open. Yes. So this was the first slide that we have done, inserting tab. Now I'm going to click on the insert button. As soon as I click on the insert button, you will be able to see that the presentation will be embedded over here. And if you want to change it, yes, you are able to just move it over here and place it back to back or side to side over here. Remember to click on the publish button. When you click on the publish button, only then you will be able to see the changes. See over here, there are only two documents. Now when I'm moving over here, you will be able to see one embedded and one tab feature over here. Just publish it and see the difference. Scrolling down over here, you are able to see the Google site. If you want to open, just click on it and you will be able to open the Google sites, and it is ready for the changes. You are able to see over here, this is the site that we are working on, and in this manner I will be able to open the Google site. So yes, this is the second part we have embedded in the Google site, that is nothing but Google slides. Now in the third part we will learn as how to insert the sheets or the Google forms.